Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to create freeze and reverse in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Let's start. Create a new project. Reverse effect. Create a name. Go to capture format DV file. Create a new sequence. HTV 1080p 30. Select this. OK. Then file import and select this video. Insert the sequence. Keep existing setting. This is the video. Now go to freeze effect. Now go to create freeze effect. This area. This is opacity. Now convert to speed. Right click. Keyframe, time remapping, speed. Select speed. Control plus click and create your own keyframe. After reduce the speed just 5%. The video was slow. See. Now track the keyframe. I need to move smooth. See, this is normal, this is very slow. I need this only. Remove the video. Just Alt plus drag your mouse. Copy the video. Now go to reverse. Right click, speed duration. Just reverse speed. OK. Select a reverse speed. The video was reversed. See. Now the video was freeze and reverse. Normal can freeze, then reverse. Okay, see the final output. This is a freeze and a reverse effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.